Start your journey towards success today. Download the Bharat Exam Fest app, available on both Android and iOS platforms. Once installed, open the app. If you're a new user, click Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. Let's fill in your details. Enter your first name and last name. Remember, it must match your official government documents to complete your KYC for cash withdrawals. Select your gender. Enter your email address. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and a special character for added security. Select your date of birth. Enter your current city. Choose your preferred language. Now, here is the best part. Enter your referral code to unlock exclusive discounts on all tests. If you don't have one, use BEF 2025 and don't miss out on the savings. Next, enter your mobile number and indicate your total UPSC CSE attempts. Press Sign Up and wait for a 6-digit OTP sent to your registered email. Enter the OTP, hit Continue, and you're all set. Your journey towards success begins now with Bharat Exam Fest, where success is just a step away. Welcome to Bharat Exam Fest, where learning meets challenge and rewards. If you are ready to take a test, here is how you can join and compete for scholarships. First, select your class to filter the tests relevant to you. Next, choose the subject for which you want to take the test. In subject selection, you will also find an option for the fill-in test, which allows you to attempt a complete syllabus-based test for better preparation. After selecting the subject, you will see different types of tests available, each with unique formats and prizes. These include the Mega Test, where you compete with a large number of students for significant rewards, the Quad Battle, which is a test between 4 to 5 participants, and the Do or Die Test, which is a direct one-on-one challenge. Each test varies based on entry fees, total scholarships, and the number of participants. Choose the one that best suits you. Before joining, click on the test to check the scholarship and reward details. This section provides information on the prize distribution for all India rank holders, the total scholarship pool, and the number of students competing. Once you are ready, click the Join button to enter the competition. To make the test more interesting, you can activate the 2x Stakes Challenge. This feature allows you to double the risk and reward by selecting any question number, such as 1, 2, or 3. If you pick 1, then questions 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, and 51 will have double the marks for correct answers but will also result in double deductions for incorrect answers. Choose wisely, as once you select a number, it cannot be changed. After selecting your 2x Stakes Challenge number, choose a time slot that is convenient for you, then click Next. At this stage, carefully go through the details displayed on the screen, ensuring that everything is in place before confirming your participation. Once reviewed, press the Join Contest button to finalize your entry. If you do not have enough balance, you will need to add a minimum recharge of ₹50 to continue. Once the recharge is complete, go back and select your class, subject, and contest again. After successfully joining the test, you can access it under the My Test section in the bottom navigation bar. Your upcoming tests will be listed here. It is important to note that test access closes 20 minutes after the scheduled start time. If you do not join within 20 minutes of your test start time, you will not be able to participate. That's it. You are now ready to compete and win scholarships. Let's celebrate this exam festival. Good luck! Welcome to this tutorial on how to attempt a question in this test interface effectively. Let's go step by step. This is your question screen. If the question is statement-based or pair-based, you'll find an action button at the end of each row. For example, in this current question, it is pair-based with 3 columns. Simply swipe to view all columns. At the end of each row, you'll notice 2 buttons, right and wrong. Make it a habit to mark each statement or pair as right or wrong. Once you've marked the statements, start eliminating incorrect options. Just click on the cross mark at the end of each option to remove it. This process helps you narrow down your choices and boosts your confidence. It reduces mistakes, helps you stay calm in tricky questions, and leads you closer to the correct answer. Now, let's move to the most important part, strategy selection. But before that, if you forget anything, just press the button to get all instructions again. You'll see 6 buttons for strategy selection. Use them wisely. 100% sure. Select this when you're absolutely certain it's correct. Logic play. Use elimination or reasoning to solve the question. Click this to showcase your logical thinking. Intuition hit. Trusting your gut instinct. Choose this when you feel the answer is within reach, even if not fully sure. Blind fire. Taking a wild guess. Use this when you have no clue but want to take a chance. Fear-driven skip. Hesitant to take the risk. This button helps you decide whether to play it safe or take the plunge. No marks are deducted for selecting this option. Skip. Not confident about the question? Just skip it and move to the next one. Toppers emphasize that strategy selection is crucial for post-test analysis, which is the secret to improving your accuracy and performance. Selecting a strategy is mandatory for submitting your answer, so don't skip this step. Many toppers recommend using these features and analyzing your decisions during post-test reviews. This post-analysis is key to improving accuracy in the final exam. Once done, press the next button to move on to the next question. Stick to this strategy, and you'll notice significant improvement in your performance. Now, remember this important rule: do not exit the app during the test. If you exit or open another app, your attempt will be automatically submitted and you won't get a second chance to reattempt. You also have an option to switch the question language to Hindi or English by clicking the language switch button on the screen. In the next question, you'll see it is a 3 statements based question. You need to mark each statement as right or wrong, parallelly eliminate incorrect options, and then select your strategy before pressing next. If you have any doubts about the question, press the flag button to submit your query. Finally, to submit the full test, go to the last question. Scroll down, press the save button for your last answer, and then hit submit. Once submitted, you cannot change any answers. After submission, wait for the test to end for your result. Toppers agree. These habits of marking statements, eliminating options, and reviewing your strategies during post-analysis can make a huge difference in your final exam performance. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your scholarship. First, tap on the top left corner of your screen, and a side window will open. From the menu, click on Get Scholarship. If this is your first time withdrawing, you need to complete your KYC verification. Click on Go to KYC Verification to proceed. Here, you must first select the document you want to use for verification. Enter the document number and fill in the CAPTCHA, then click on Next. In the next step, you need to upload clear images of both the front and back sides of your document and wait for approval. The approval process may take some time, so be patient. Once your KYC is successfully approved, you can proceed with the withdrawal. Simply enter your bank details and confirm the transaction to withdraw your scholarship funds. And that's it. Your scholarship withdrawal process is now complete. If you face any issues, you can reach out to customer support for assistance. Welcome to the post-analysis report. From the past contests section, you can access all your reports. This is your first report, MCQ Aptitude-Based Strategy Report, which gives a deep analysis of your performance and strategy. Take a look at the matrix in front of you. The columns represent how you attempted the questions directly, attempted without eliminating any option. 50-50, eliminated 2 options before attempting, 1 option elimination, eliminated 1 incorrect option before attempting. The rows show the strategy you used while attempting questions, 100% sure, logic play, intuition hit, blind fire, fear-driven skip. Now, let's take a deep dive to understand your report better. In the 100% sure section, you attempted 4 questions directly, and 3 were correct, giving you a good accuracy. You also attempted 4 questions using 50-50, but only 2 were correct, showing weaker accuracy in this approach. You attempted 1 question by eliminating 1 option, but unfortunately, it was incorrect, resulting in 0% accuracy in this case. Overall, your accuracy in the 100% sure section is 55%, indicating that you need to work on improving your accuracy in this strategy. Now, moving to the logic play section, you have very good accuracy in direct questions and 50-50 elimination strategy. Use this as your strength and focus more on refining your aptitude skills to maintain this high accuracy. Accordingly, you can see your accuracy in each section and identify which strategy works best for you and where you need to improve. Next comes the most important part, fear-driven skip analysis. Here, you get a detailed view of whether skipping was the right choice for certain questions. For example, in this report, you skipped 6 direct questions, and if you had attempted them, all would have been incorrect, which would have resulted in a negative -4.69 marks. Similarly, you skipped 1 question after eliminating 1 option, which was also incorrect, adding another -0.67 negative mark. In this case, skipping proved to be the best strategy, helping you avoid unnecessary negative marks. However, if some students get positive marks in the fear-driven skip section, it indicates they need to build more courage and take calculated risks. With the right confidence, they can improve their score by attempting more such questions. This report is powerful in helping you identify your best strategies and areas for improvement. Keep analyzing these reports, fine-tune your approach, and you'll see your performance improve over time. Next comes the most important part, fear-driven skip analysis. Here, you get a detailed view of whether skipping was the right choice for certain questions. For example, in this report, you skipped 6 direct questions, and if you had attempted them, all would have been incorrect, which would have resulted in a negative -4.69 marks. Similarly, you skipped 1 question after eliminating 1 option, which was also incorrect, adding another -0.67 negative mark. In this case, skipping proved to be the best strategy, helping you avoid unnecessary negative marks. However, if some students get positive marks in the fear-driven skip section, it indicates they need to build more courage and take calculated risks. With the right confidence, they can improve their score by attempting more such questions. This report is powerful in helping you identify your best strategies and areas for improvement. Keep analyzing these reports, fine-tune your approach, and you'll see your performance improve over time. Now, let me introduce you to the AI Mentor, gems of our app, one of the most valuable features of our app. The AI Mentor is designed to reduce your FOMO, fear of missing out, and give you deep insights into every question you face. When you click on View Solution, you'll get access to detailed solutions for each test question. Don't forget to check the I button to understand how the AI Mentor works. The AI Mentor provides 3 key insights: question characterization. The AI Mentor tells you whether the question is conceptual, aptitude-based, or random. This helps you understand the nature of the question and what kind of thinking or knowledge it requires. Others' performance analysis. The AI Mentor also shows how others performed on the same type of question in this subject. You'll see their accuracy in similar questions and which attempting strategies they used, whether it was 100% sure, logic play, intuition hit, or others. This comparison helps you figure out if the question was difficult for everyone or just for you. Your past performance. Finally, it highlights your strength in similar questions from this subject. You'll see how you've performed in the past on the same type of question, showing whether this is an area where you typically excel or need improvement. With these insights, the AI Mentor becomes your personal guide, helping you learn from every question. Refine your strategy and build on your strengths. Use this tool to discover patterns, make smarter decisions, and never miss an opportunity to improve. Warning: if you skip this, you risk repeating the same mistakes and losing an entire year. This is not just another report, this is your survival kit for UPSC Prep. Let's talk about the Mistake Map report, the most important report of all. Think about it. How many times have you made a mistake and forgotten why? How many times have you promised yourself that you won't repeat a silly mistake but did it again? If you don't analyze your mistakes, you're guaranteeing failure before the final exam. This report is the difference between those who clear the exam and those who keep failing year after year. How it works: for every question you got wrong, there is an extra drop-down called Why False. This is where the real game begins. Before moving on, you must categorize your mistake by selecting heavy checkmark silly mistake, you knew the answer but made an avoidable error. Heavy checkmark concept mistake, your understanding of the topic is weak. Heavy checkmark revision lacking, you studied it but forgot due to weak recall. Heavy checkmark out of material, it was completely outside your study sources. Heavy checkmark current affairs not read, you missed an important news update. Once you map all your mistakes, click on the Mistake Map Report button at the top. The real eye-opener, what you'll discover: 5 total questions you got wrong, the cold, hard truth about your performance. 5 how many mistakes you have mapped. If you don't map all mistakes, you'll never know what to fix. 5 mistake-wise categorization by subtopics, the golden insight into your weaknesses. Imagine how powerful this is. You will see exactly which subtopics cause your silly mistakes so you can fix them instantly. You will identify which topics are conceptually weak and need deep understanding. You will spot topics that require more revision so you don't forget them in the final exam. Every successful aspirant knows, not identifying mistakes is equal to repeating them in the final exam is equal to losing another year. The harsh reality: if you ignore this report, you're preparing to fail. If you use it wisely, you're ensuring you never repeat the same mistakes again. This is not just a report, it's your roadmap to success. Use it before it's too late. Now, let's check out the Elimination Skill Report, one of the most interesting reports. This report is divided into 2 key sections. First one is 50-50 elimination and second one is one option elimination. Let's start with the 50-50 elimination section. On the left side, you'll see your correct elimination accuracy. This shows how many times you correctly eliminated wrong options without accidentally eliminating the right answer. For example, if you applied the 50-50 elimination strategy in 16 questions, the report tells you how many times you eliminated only the incorrect options. Here, out of 16 questions, you performed correct elimination in 15 questions, giving you a high accuracy in option elimination. On the right side, you'll see right answer accuracy after correct elimination. This indicates how often you reached the correct answer after performing a successful elimination. In this case, out of 15 correctly eliminated questions, the student reached the right answer in 13 questions, but failed to reach it in 2 questions. This helps you identify how well you are converting correct eliminations into accurate answers. The same analysis is available for one option elimination. Just like the 50-50 section, you'll see your performance in correctly eliminating one incorrect option and how often you selected the right answer afterward. Additionally, the report gives subcategorizations based on your attempting strategy. You'll know whether you performed better in 100% sure, logic play, intuition hit, or other strategies after elimination. This report is crucial in understanding and improving your elimination skills. It helps you track where you're making smart eliminations and where you can improve your decision making to reach the right answer more consistently. By focusing on this report, you'll be able to master the art of elimination and significantly boost your accuracy. Now, it's time for the summary report, where you'll get powerful insights into your performance and strategies, your aha moments. This report is divided into 2 sections: 1. Subject-wise performance, 2. Attempting strategy-wise analysis. Let's start with the subject-wise performance. Here, All your subjects and subtopics are automatically categorized into 5 divisions based on your accuracy: very weak, 0 to 20% accuracy. These are your critical weak areas that need immediate attention. Weak, 20 to 40% accuracy, slightly better, but still needs improvement. Average, 40 to 60% accuracy. These are stable areas. With consistent effort, you can make them your strength. Strong, 60 to 80% accuracy. These are your reliable weapons, where you have a solid understanding. Very strong, 80 to 100% accuracy, your core strength. You've mastered these topics. Make sure to maintain this lead. This automatic categorization saves you to 2-3 hours of manual analysis and guides you on where to focus. It helps you identify your strongest subjects and topics, as well as areas that need improvement, ultimately saving your attempts in future prelims. Now, moving to the attempting strategy-wise analysis. Here, your strategies are categorized using the same 5 divisions. Very weak strategies like blind fire need to be minimized. Weak strategies, such as one-option elimination, need fine-tuning. Average performance in 100% sure or intuition hit means you're almost there, just a little push. And you'll hit strong accuracy. Strong strategies like logic play, these are your hidden strength. Use them more often. Very strong strategies, such as 50-50 elimination, are your go-to weapons for tough questions. This report is a game changer. It highlights your best strategies, core strengths, and priority areas for improvement, giving you a crystal clear roadmap to maximize your accuracy and success. Now, let's explore the competitor comparison report, where you can compare your performance with others and the topper. The most exciting feature of this report is that it breaks down the comparison by subjects or subtopics. This gives you a clear picture of in which topics or subjects your competitors are strong, where most competitors are struggling. This insight helps you identify your weak areas, prioritize your preparation, and plan an effective improvement strategy. But that's not all. You can also compare your performance with others based on MCQ filling strategy. See in which subjects your competitors excel using strategies like 100% sure, logic play, or even intuition hit. Analyze their 50-50 elimination accuracy and how well they perform in direct attempts or one-option elimination. This comparison helps you strategically monitor your competitors' strengths and tactics, giving you a competitive edge in your preparation. By carefully analyzing this report, you'll know where to focus and how to refine your strategy to stay ahead. Use this report regularly to stay informed, make smarter decisions, and constantly improve your performance.